Everyone, welcome to the Senior Portfolio course. Congratulations on being in this class. If you're taking this class, it means that you are very close to graduation. So congratulations on that, and I'm happy to be a part of one of your final experiences as a student in this department. My name is Melissa Johnston, and I will be your instructor for the course this semester. And I just want to take a few minutes to go through the class, take a look at the syllabus, and give you some ideas to what we're going to be doing this semester. So I'm sure all of you have taken a Blackboard type online course before, and you know that this is the main menu, so this is where I will be posting all of our content. On the home page, I'll be making announcements, and I do announcements on a regular basis just to check in with everyone, kind of give general feedback, and make sure that we're all on the same page with the work that's being completed. The syllabus is located here, and I'll take you through it just briefly. You can take a look at it in more detail. This is my contact information. I am actually not on campus anymore. I'm off campus. So the best way to reach me is through email. And please use this email address. Do not email me through Blackboard. I don't check the Blackboard messages. But please do email me at that one, and I will get back to you promptly. And if we need to meet, if we need to schedule some time to get together, we can do that. So this page is very important to this course because everything that you'll be doing this semester will work towards justifying or demonstrating your knowledge of the course goals and mission of our department. So this page, along with other documentation that I have on the Blackboard site, will also give you our course goals that you'll be working with this semester. So we'll be working with analyzing messages, developing messages, anticipating communication barriers, accomplishing communicative goals, embracing difference, and influencing discourse. And I'll give you more information about that in just a second. The whole purpose of this class is for you to demonstrate your knowledge of these 6 areas. You've spent a lot of time in our courses. You've done lots of coursework with papers and presentations and things of that nature. And so this is your opportunity to kind of bring all of it together and demonstrate what you know. So you'll be providing evidence of your growth in the 6 goals of our department. You'll be building a portfolio that you will be able to share with others, an electronic portfolio that you will be able to share with potential employers. And you'll also talk about how to advocate for the importance of communication in the professional environment. So we'll be talking a little bit about how you talk about your degree in applied communication. The course requirements for this, pretty much your final year of study in our department. Some of you may be working on capstone right now, and that's fine. Others of you may have already finished capstone or being prepared for it. But either way, you are in your final year, final semester in our department. This is a very technical class, so you need to make sure that you know how to upload documents. We'll be talking about some web design, so being able to access certain programs, Word, PowerPoint, you'll need Flash, that sort of thing on your computer. That will be very important because this will all be done on the computer, and it's a very technical build when we get to your portfolio. The course materials, I'll be giving you everything that you need. There's really nothing to learn in this class necessarily, as much as it is an opportunity for you to demonstrate what you have learned. So we will be I guess learning about things like Google Sites, Weebly, Wix, WordPress, LinkedIn. We'll be working within those things to give you guys a platform to demonstrate your work. You will also need access to your past class papers and projects and any external documents that you may have as well through your job or through other programs that you've been a part of. So you will need to make sure that you can access past assignments that will be used to demonstrate your knowledge. So this class is a credit, no credit. You'll see that some of the assignments that we do are worth 10 or 15 points. That is just to, kind of have a point value to some of the work that we do. But really, as long as you complete it all, it's a credit, no credit course. And your final product will be the portfolio. And so we'll talk more about that as we get into some of the content. The assignments that you'll have in this class, you'll be doing a lot of reflecting. There'll be some practice assignments where you will have an opportunity to share your experience in our department, You'll be able to articulate the value of our degree in kind of an interview setting. And then you'll have a final portfolio. And we'll also be talking some about networking and who's a part of your network and how you might reach out to people for jobs and things of that nature. Let's see. General policies. This is going to be an online class. Now, some of you may be registered for the hybrid course, which means that you attend class 1 day a week and you do online the rest of the time. And I will be speaking about that in just a second and kind of the overall schedule. But 90% of this class is going to be completed online. So the attendance and participation is just that. You just got to keep up with the work. Please use this email address, mhjohnston@ualr.edu. I attempt to respond within 24 hours. If I know I'm going to be out of pocket and can't really get back to emails for longer than that, I'll definitely let you know. And the rest of the syllabus is pretty much the things that we offer in terms of resources. There's Blackboard support, which you may need. The Disability Resource Center, if you need help with something in order to complete this course, please let me know, and please talk to Disability Resource, and we'll make sure that we accommodate those needs. You may also need the library. Our Communication Skills Center is available to help you as well. Many of the resources that I'm sure you're familiar with. So that's the syllabus, kind of an overview. So again, your final product is going to be a portfolio, and we will have a few things that we do to help make that portfolio happen. This is where I will house course materials. Right now we have 2 items. This is an article about the value of portfolios, and you will need to make sure that you take a look at this. This will kind of give you an idea of what the portfolio is, why you need it. There's also a section on artifacts, and you will need to make sure that you complete the artifacts as well. Okay, read about that, because this is going to be a huge part of the first half of our semester together, is gathering artifacts. So be sure to take a look at what that means and what those artifacts are all about. This is our learning outcomes. This is also in the syllabus, but you will also find them here as well. And so these are the 6 that we're going to be working with this semester. Okay, so how are we going to do this? So I don't have an official schedule for this class. We're kind of doing this in chunks, if you will. So the first part of it we have is due on November the 9th. And so everything that's listed under this link is due on November the 9th. You can complete it in whatever order that you would like. You can, turn things in as you complete them, as long as all of it is completed by November 9th. I will be checking this on a regular basis, and I will be grading as you submit, assignments. But this is kind of a work at your own pace course. We're not on, a strict deadline in terms of each week we're going to be doing something, but rather between now and November the 9th, you need to complete all 6 of your department goals, submit your resume, and do an assessment and complete an All About Me section. So when we talk about the department goals, essentially what we're looking for, and you'll understand more when you read the article about, artifacts. But for department goal 1, which you can find under the course materials, you will need to demonstrate your understanding of that goal in your own words, what you have done to complete or to accomplish the goal, examples from your work or of the department or outside the department, and how the use and understanding of this goal can benefit an organization. So how does your knowledge of this goal set you apart from someone else? So if you're talking about analyzing messages, for example, you would explain what is meant by analyzing messages. You would give an example of something you have done to demonstrate your ability to analyze a message. And then you would talk about how analyzing messages could help you in your work in an organization. Now, when you submit this is the written component, you need to give at least 3 examples of your work in this area. And so you don't necessarily have to attach them right now, but you will need to list 3 assignments, projects, something that you have worked on and completed that illustrates that artifact. Now, you can use the same assignment for multiple, artifacts for multiple goals, but you need to make sure that you're very specific in how you explain it and how it relates to that artifact. Okay. Then we'll also be submitting a resume, and so you'll post your resume here. And then we're going to start by doing a brief introduction about yourself. And so this will be your background, what are your goals. You'll be doing a self-assessment for that piece, and that will be used as part of the introduction to your portfolio. So between now and November 9th, we're building the content. Don't worry about how it's going to look. Don't worry about which platform you use. You just need to be able to explain the department goal, list at least 3 artifacts that you have that support your work in that goal, and post that here along with a resume and then a little bit about yourself. Okay? So all of this, and each one of these are separate discussion posts. So you can look at other people's, and that's fine. I want you guys to kind of work together if you want to. So, but just know that all of this is due by November the 9th, and I'll be grading along the way. And when November the 9th comes, then we will move on to the next part, which will be actually building the portfolio. So this is just a brief introduction to the class. Again, this is primarily online. If you are in the hybrid section of this course, I will be sending you some dates that we will be meeting. I'll be posting those. Anyone is welcome to come, even if you're not in the hybrid course and you're able to come to campus. If you want to come join us, that's fine. But the majority of this will be completed online. And if you need to meet with me at any time, Skype with me, shoot me an email. I'm happy to help you out. I'm really looking forward to this. I really like working with you guys kind of at the tail end of your time here. I think this is a great opportunity for you to demonstrate all that you've learned. So please don't hesitate to ask any questions. I'm always here to help, and I'm looking forward to a great semester. Thank you.